Today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this problem, so make sure you guys stay till the end to figure this out. Let's start. Alright guys, so we got this issue with this water heater. You can hear the igniter, but it just won't light up. You can see here that we have battery as well. But listen to the spark. We have this Tankless water heater. Basically what's going on, I do have a spark and you can hear the spark lighting up. We have the right water pressure. The only problem that I'm having, it looks like the gas solenoid, which is this one. This one is the one allows the propane or the gas go through. This is the hose that feeds the propane or the natural gas, whichever one you use. Anyway, so when you turn the water flows through, you hear the spark, and this solenoid is supposed to be getting power and ground to open the valve and allow the propane to go through. Right now, if I open the water, it will not light up. The reason why I open it is basically just to test if I'm getting voltage when I activate the waters, to make sure that the solenoid is not a problem. I am getting voltage, and I also test the solenoid, that's good. The only thing, the voltage that I'm getting, this is supposed to be 1.5, 2 batteries of 1.5 volts, and I'm only getting about 2 volts to the solenoid. So the first thing I'm gonna try with this, I'm gonna replace the batteries, make sure I'm getting enough power to activate the solenoid and allow the valve to open and let the propane go through. So let me show you guys what exactly this thing is doing. You hear that? You can hear the spark, but you can never hear or feel the propane go through. So now here guys, your batteries are in this container. You don't have to open it. I just opened it because I was doing some tests. So you turn this handle here, and you see your 2 batteries. You have to move this little clip to let it come down. Alright, so I got my 2 batteries out. Now I'm gonna put the new ones on. Alright guys, so I just plugged my 2 new batteries, and I'm gonna just go ahead and close this. It locks up like that. My button has pressure in it, and now I'm gonna show you with the new batteries what happens. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna start on. There it is guys, so now we can see flame. You can see. Alright, so here guys, the reason why I open is because it threw me off. I was thinking I have the right power and the right energy to light up, but after I open it and test it,
I realized that there was not enough juice going to the solenoid, and that's why it wasn't opening at the right time.
Alright, so I have these first batteries. This is the same one that I had in the system. They last me about 2 years, so I want to put the same ones. So the one outside, it goes with the plus on top. Oh. And this is gonna hold it. And the one in the back, the plus goes in the bottom. Do you hear the difference on the spark? Now I can hear the flame. Listen. Listen how quick the spark is compared to the other one. One more time. See? You can hear the flame right away. So that was the issue, that you can hear the heat. I don't know if you can see it there. Let me turn it on one more time. Listen how quick the spark is compared to the other one. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys learned something today, and don't forget to subscribe and try to be better every day.